Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. My dear friends, right now gold is trading around 2663. This is the current market price of gold. And yesterday, we got to see some unusual moves in the market. Why unusual? Because in this time, okay, usually we don't see much volume in the market. If you're trading for last couple of months, 1 year, 2 years, then you may not understand what I'm saying. But if you have been trading for 5 years, 6 years, or more than that, then you must be knowing very well that in this situation, okay, usually the market is silent. Market, okay, doesn't move much, and the reason is volume. The volume is usually very low in this situation. Why? Because most of the market participants are in holiday mode. Okay, they are enjoying. So after first week of January, we got to see some normalcy in the market. Before the first week of January, usually we just see the market is dull, market is silent. So whatever we saw yesterday was a little bit unexpected. Not a little bit, it was completely unexpected. Last year also in the month of December, we saw some big moves in the market. Last year, December was a very good month. It was a normal trading month. But if you look at the history, then you will see that in the month of December, market doesn't move. So things are changing right now. And if you have been trading for 5, 6 years, probably you have observed these changes and frequent changes recently. Why? Because uh, hmm, manual trading is almost gone these days. Okay, most of the trading takes place through algos only. Okay, so anything may happen, so be careful. Okay, and as traders or retail traders, to be precise, okay, we need to be flexible. Flexibility is the most important key for our survival in this situation. If market is trending, obviously we need to respect the trend of the market. We need to forget, okay, what we have been seeing for the last couple of years. And suddenly if there's a dip in the market again, we need to behave accordingly. So flexibility is very important. For example, right now we can see the chart of the gold is trending, isn't it? But if we look at the economic calendar, we can see that we have ISM manufacturing PMI during the US session. If there's a sudden drop in the market, if gold starts falling again, we need to go with the bearish trend. You cannot be adamant that no, market was bullish, I will only buy. No. If the trend of the market has changed because of any news, you need to respect it, because news give, or the fundamentals give, direction to the market. Usually ISM PMI type of news do not give trend to the market. Next week's NFP, CPI, FOMC, these are the events that provide direction to the market. But right now, after the yesterday's move, okay, things are uncertain. So if you see that there is a sudden down move in the market during the US session, go with that downtrend. Okay, so let's look at the chart of gold once. Yeah, there it is. Okay, but before moving on with the levels, okay, let's look at the markets. And gold prices seen getting boost from Asian demand. Gold ticks up on safe haven demand, eyes on Fed and Trump policy. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. Gold edges higher on promising outlook. Okay, you can see several fundamental factors such as ongoing geopolitical uncertainties. You must be knowing that throughout the world, okay, there have been many wars going on. Things are not stable. Expectations of continued central bank purchases, mostly it is talking about in India and China. China has started purchasing gold again because their currency is falling. Okay, and the metal's traditional role as a safe haven asset should support the precious metals prices. So these are the events because of which, okay, we saw sudden up move on the chart of gold. Okay, and in this situation, if you have any ongoing buy, okay, if you have any ongoing buy right now, you can hold as long as the trend of the market is bullish. After the ISM PMI, if the market doesn't go down, then okay, it's well and good, you can hold your buy position. In case there is a sudden drop in the market after the US session, please exit from your buy position, because right now we can see that gold is heading towards the next big resistance of 2680 and then 2700, or you can say that this is the next stop for gold. So if you have any ongoing buy, again I'm repeating, if you have any ongoing buy on the chart of gold right now, you can hold your buy before the US session, especially after ISM PMI. If there's a drop in the market, we can exit. And before the US session, okay, if you see market is coming down, then you can look for support around two levels. First is 2648, then 2638. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Why we are looking for buy around 2648? Because we are using Fibonacci here. This is a Fibo 0.236 and 0.382. And around 263 we can see we also have previous support, strong price rejection, but this can be a good level. And in case there is a heavy sell, okay, in case there is a heavy sell, then we can look for support around 262220 because of previous support and the 200 moving average around the area. But chances of market coming down to 2600 2622 is very less before the US session. After US session also, I think, okay, this level will be able to provide support to the market. And if market doesn't come for retracement, because we have seen, especially on the chart of gold, that when gold is extremely bullish, it doesn't come for retracement. Okay, if gold doesn't come, then obviously we cannot help it. In that case, obviously you can go for buy at breakout above this area. Okay, for example, you can look for buy above 2665, but we have immediate resistance after a 50-60 pips, so be careful. So if you go for a buy above this black line here, this particular level, again market will face some resistance around 2672. Around 2672, whether there will be a selling opportunity or not, okay, it is difficult to tell because right now market is very bullish. In this situation, taking a sell can be dangerous. If you're a scalper, then you can look for a 30 to 40 pips or 30 to 50 pips selling opportunity around 2672. Otherwise, if you're not comfortable with 30 to 50 pips trades, 40-50 pips, then do not go for it. Then only look for buy at retracement. And right now we can see the market is trying to break the current level here. So if market breaks it, then also we can look for a buy above it. One more thing I would like to add here is, okay, we can see the price action is doing a fine job. Okay, price action is doing a fine job here. You can see the previous resistances are working as beautiful supports. So in case market breaks also this area, okay, suppose market goes up like this, next time when gold will be coming down, 2664 will be the new support, but it will be new support, and you can look for a buy around this as well. So right now, see, I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Obviously, okay, things will change during the European session and US session. So if market follows the same price action pattern, okay, day traders, you can simply look for buy at retracement around the previous minor resistances because it will be working as the new support. Again, let me repeat once, my dear friend, we can see that, okay, there have been sudden bullishness on the chart of gold, okay, which is not little bit, okay, very much unusual. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment, then yes, okay, there have been many factors, okay, behind this up move, like geopolitical uncertainties, okay, central banks are purchasing again, and gold is a safe haven asset, okay. And yes, obviously market is also waiting for the next week's NFP, then Donald Trump, yeah, okay, big role, okay. So be careful right now, and if you have any ongoing buy from yesterday, you can hold your buy position till the US session. During the US session, we have a news coming up, so there can be some spikes in the market. If market continues the trend, yes, we can hold our buy positions as well. Usually, ISM PMI is not an event that can change the direction of the market, but these days, anything is possible. So hold your buy position, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at retracement or buy at dip will be the best trading strategy for you. If market shows retracement from the current level, we can look for buy around 265048 or 2638 area. In case of a big selling pressure, then 2622, 2620 will be our next support. And if market doesn't come for retracement, we can look for buy at breakout above 2665 as well. But we have immediate resistance around 2672. Okay, so do not expect a clean upside. If market continues the upside, well and good. But if you see that after hitting 2672 area, market is struggling, you can exit from your buy position. And as price action have been doing a fine job, so during the day, throughout the day, if you see that, okay, market continues the present pattern, okay, you can, as a day trader, you can look for retracement around the previous resistances, because the previous resistances will be working as the new support. Okay. And right now it seems that market is heading towards 2680. 2685 and especially 2700 area. So let's wait and watch. Be careful, my dear friends. Okay, market may be very bullish, but we cannot deny the history. Bye bye, take care.